I'm Kurz. I'm an orthodontist in Saskatoon. In our office here we do obviously orthodontics, which is straightening teeth, so that's our specialty. And as the orthodontist, I'm in charge of looking after the patients, figuring out their treatment plans, and instructing the staff as to which direction we want the work to go so that we can get the patients the best result we can give them. During the day, obviously my job is to supervise over the patients. I want to see the progress each patient has done, and I'm lucky enough that with my staff, I've got a fabulous staff, and so with each patient I sit down, go through, see the progress they've made, and then I prepare the work that's to be done that day, and really the staff become my hands. So I tell them what to do, they do the work for me, and then I can, of course, move on to the next and repeat it. What piqued my interest in orthodontics was actually, I was lucky enough to have a cousin who was an orthodontist in Beverly Hills. And initially, when I was in grade 7, I wanted to be a pharmacist. And my cousin came home for a visit. We sit down and have a good chat. And as an orthodontist, he loved his profession. So he sat down with me and started explaining about what he did and the career that he had. And he really influenced me to kind of look and change my career path. So as odd as it sounds, I knew I wanted to be an orthodontist right from grade 7 on. Through the rest of school, through high school, what I concentrated on was obviously doing my sciences and maths to prepare. And with the whole idea of going to university to initially become a dentist and then onwards to become an orthodontist. It is a long road, and so when I went to university, it was 2 years of pre-dent and then 5 years of dental school. And that course has now changed to about 3 years of pre-dent and then 4 years of dental school. So time frame's similar, but just a different format. Into orthodontics though, after I graduated dental school, I did a 1-year residency at the University Hospital in Saskatoon here, and then I went into private practice as a general dentist for a year and applied to go back to school, and I did 2 years of postgraduate studies, and that's where I became or attained my orthodontic diploma, and started my private practice in 1988, and I've been going strong since. Any student going through high school that might be interested in dentistry or maybe more specifically orthodontics, most of us see our dentist regularly, and so my advice would be when you go in to see the dentist, just kind of quiz them. Ask them what their professions are like. Do they enjoy it? Do they have fun in their job? Because to me, the biggest part of career is enjoying it and having fun. And so don't be scared to ask the dentist when you go in. Same thing with the orthodontist. If some of you are going to the orthodontist, you're having your braces or your Invisalign adjusted, quiz them. Ask them about it and see what they've gone through. See if they like it. Most of us, we're lucky enough that we're blessed with a fabulous profession where we get to see the best patients, and it's the patients that always make the orthodontist. My advice for anybody that's wanting it, interview the people, talk to them, see what they think. And when it comes to your studies itself, concentrate on your studies through high school, concentrate on your sciences and your maths. You have to be able to interact with people, and that's one of the greatest things that I've got with my job is that I get to interact with people. I get to visit with them, I get to talk to them, and fortunately I get the rewards of seeing the work that we do when they're done. But I think socializing skills is a huge part of dentistry, of orthodontics. So as you're going through school, like I say, study, but also participate in your sports, do social activities, do your dance, do your extracurriculars, get involved, because that's what everything kind of boils down to after, is being able to be socially interactive with everybody.